Hello everyone, Steve here from Tech Toy Tinker and Retro Arena. I'm going to do a brief video today to show you guys RC1.7 of the Retro Arena, hopefully the last RC before stable release. This video is going to be a little bit of a dev preview mixed with a tutorial video. We're going to start off in the Advanced Options menu, where you have the Clear Last Played. You can switch between SD1 and 2 for ROMs, ext4, NTFS, FAT32, and exFAT are supported formats. VFAT should work as well. And here you can turn Wi-Fi on and off just to save battery power. Under CPU scripts, we've got the 1.9 GHz frequency now, which is an overclock. You can change between conservative, on-demand, and performance governors. This will show you your CPU temp, and this will show you information about your CPU, such as what governor is in use, what clock speed you currently have. I'll show you what I mean right now. In the Tools menu here, we have Kodi, Port Master, which is how you download your ports. It won't give you the actual game files, but it will give you the folder and skeleton structure and launchers. You just need to add your own game files. And Theme Master is an over-the-air theme downloader. Here we have 351 Files, which is a file manager. This is the over-the-air updater. We have Bluetooth, which I will also show you quickly, so you can pair your controllers. This video is being recorded via HDMI out, by the way. This will pull up the devices in a list, and you select the device that's yours based on the MAC address or the name, depending on the device. You can enable or disable remote services. This is a second file manager, the one from the Dinkix devices, Open Commander or Dinkix Commander, I think it's called. This is fixed permissions. That's standard in all my builds after you download an OTA update. This will give you your IP once you connect to Wi-Fi using this right here. This is for a USB drive into the USB-C port, and this is for multi-disc PS1 games. There's currently about 115 different systems and emulators in this build. I'll give you guys a quick overview. For Sega and Atmoswave, as well as Naomi, you're going to want to use the Flycast 32 Rumble core, as it gives the best performance. We now have 3DO in this build as well. For Nintendo 64, you're going to want to use the standalone emulator. I'll show you what I mean right now. You want to use standalone Rice or Glide. I'll give you a quick example of what I mean.
It's me, Mario! Hello! Okie dokie!
There's still going to be a few games that don't quite run properly, but the vast majority do run just fine, and a lot better than the RK3326. Also, that little bit of screen tearing you see here, that's caused by my capture device. It's not on the actual device itself. Mega Drive MSU is exactly what you think it is. It's the same as SNES MSU, so it's Mega Drive with CD quality audio. For Sega Saturn, you want to use standalone Iaba Sanshiro. And once you're in here, you want to press Select to access the menu here. And A to select the choice. Pocket Station is not yet included in the public build. That's a personal test only, so ignore that. PSP is a mixed bag. There's a lot of games that work, but there's also a decent amount that are kind of slow. If you're thinking God of War, things like that, it's playable to some degree, but it's never going to be great on this device. Also, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the emulator settings, because you can change between different cores and standalone and all that stuff directly from here before you launch a game. These are mislabeled because I scraped the folder, but they're actually standalone MAME and standalone MES. L1 is how you jump between different options here. And then L3 will exit the emulator. Like so. I'm not going to play a video for obvious reasons, but they do work just fine. You can put AVI, MPEG, several different formats into there. RetroArch is upgraded to the latest version as well, and will be kept up to date every few weeks. You can see it says ArcOS there, because there's no point in reinventing the wheel, so I just use Christians. Why bother? From advanced settings here, you can change your time zone and your language. And once the text-to-speech is available and finished, it will be here in the UI settings. The text-to-speech is not English only. You can change the language of it as well. So it'll read out in multiple different languages, so you don't have to worry about it only being English. It's going to about wrap it up for this video. It's just meant to be a quick tutorial and preview. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.